Tweetie here with SR to SR Prepper. Down below you will find different links, and we also have several different playlists and individual videos for you. Let's talk about when Jesus was born and how God set the calendar to do this so that everybody could figure this out. I've provided you with a calendar that has the Jewish or Hebrew months on the outer ring, and on the inner ring is our months, so that they can collaborate next to each other. And so if you look at the outer ring, you will see up at the top, just top off to the side, Abib is listed. And in Exodus 12:1 and 2, the Lord set the first date of the first month of the very first calendar ever created. And so you move over to the other verse on the other side of that screen, and it says in Luke 1:26 through 27, when the angel of the Lord came to the Virgin Mary and impregnated her, was in the 6th month. So you count around and you'll see the blue highlighting that month. And so if you continue around the ring and count out 9 months, there is a month at the very tip top of that, Vidar, which is put in every 2 to 3 years to offset the leap year that we have. And so if he was born in a leap year, he would have hit the first highlighted purple month. And if he was born during no leap year, he would have been in the 2nd month. So as we can clearly see, neither of those 2 months is anywhere near December. So Jesus was not born in December, let alone on the 25th of December. That was created years later and incorporated several different pagan gods that had been worshipped since the beginning of time, practically, to worship demons and evil spirits and false goddesses. And then I promised you we would have the first gender reveal to the public, and that was done in Luke 2:8 through 12, when the Lord sent the angels down to announce it to those shepherds that were abiding in the field. Now, the last thing I want to mention in this study is that we are to follow the apostles' teaching, just as the disciples did, because they did not, for nearly 300 years after Jesus' death, celebrate Jesus' birthday. Nobody did. It was just a glorified birth announcement. And the Bible tells us many, many times in the Old and New Testament not to add or subtract anything to the Word of God. We are not to do anything other than, at this point in time, do the Lord's Supper on the first day of every week. And so in Deuteronomy 4:2 and 12:32 and Proverbs 30:5 and 6, Mark 3:1 through 4, and Revelation 2:18 and 19 all profess that we are not to add anything to the Bible. So if it didn't say it, we're not supposed to do it. And if you do it, you can lose your salvation. That's very clear in many, many places of the Bible. That leaves you with celebrating no traditions of men and only the Lord's Supper. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. If you want more from us, subscribe, ring the bell so you'll get notified every time. Thanks for dropping by. angels all around. Oh, yes. Give us a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you.